Okay, so if you want to change the anti-flicker setup on the Pocket 3 and you find that the option is disabled, then this video is for you. Alright, so if you find that the anti-flicker settings are not available, then here are a few things you need to check. So the anti-flicker setup is not available if you are in the Pro mode and have manual exposure set. So to make it available again, just switch to the auto exposure and it's going to then become available. But what happens if you want to use manual exposure and you still want to eliminate flicker? Then I propose two possible solutions to this. Now, one option is to change to the auto exposure temporarily, make the change to the anti-flicker settings that you need, and then change back to the manual exposure afterwards. Or, if you're already in the manual mode and the flicker is still happening anyway, even after you change the anti-flicker settings, and you also don't want to change the auto exposure, then you can use my special shutter speed hack. Now I've got a whole video dedicated to explaining what that shutter speed hack is, so if you're interested in that, then I suggest you check out that video next. Alright, so it's very frustrating to find that the anti-flicker settings are disabled, so hopefully I've given you a quick solution on that. So for either, you just need to go to the auto exposure settings and you'll find it there, or you can watch my video next where I explain how to do it in manual mode.